Jamaica, listen up. Every time disaster strikes, we depend on ODPEM, the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, to coordinate relief fairly and efficiently. But now word is that Prime Minister Andrew Holness wants full control of ODPEM and the millions of dollars in disaster funding that flow through it. That's not just concerning, that's dangerous. Let's get something straight. ODPEM was created to be independent. Its role is to respond to national emergencies without political interference, to save lives, not score political points. But with ODPEM now reassigned under the Office of the Prime Minister, questions are being raised about whether disaster management is being turned into political management. Former ODPEM head Dr. Barbara Carby isn't staying silent. She's calling this move exactly what it is, a slippery slope. She's outraged, warning that placing ODPEM under direct political control undermines its independence and could lead to disaster responses being dictated by power, not by protocol. And here's the real issue. With ODPEM under the Prime Minister's office, Andrew Holness would have direct influence over how disaster funds and donations are distributed. That means he could control not only the operations, but also the money. The same donations sent by Jamaicans at home and abroad to help victims in times of crisis. That level of control invites suspicion and destroys trust. Dr. Carby has been warning about this for years. Back in 2016, she told the Gleaner that ODPEM was being sidelined by politicians during hurricane preparations. She said politicians were trying to outshine the agency instead of empowering it to lead. Now in 2022, the Prime Minister has officially pulled ODPEM into his office, proving her fears were right. This move raises tough questions. Who will decide where relief goes first? Who will monitor how donations are used? And who will make sure aid isn't being distributed for political optics instead of public good? Disaster management must be driven by data, not by votes. The truth is, this is about control. Controlling the money, controlling the message, controlling the headlines, and if we're not careful, controlling the very agencies meant to protect us. And now even the private sector is speaking out, because they've had enough. They're watching how disaster management is being politicized, and they don't like what they see. The frustration is building across Jamaica, from business leaders to church members to everyday citizens. Everyone's saying the same thing: enough is enough. Andrew Holness told the country to choose Jamaica, but it's clear he's not choosing the people. He's choosing his pocket. You can't preach patriotism while keeping control of every dollar meant for disaster relief. ODPEM belongs to the people, not to any politician or party. When a hurricane hits, it doesn't ask which party you support. It destroys everything in its path. Disaster response should be guided by experts, not by political convenience. So Prime Minister, the people are watching, the diaspora is watching, donors are watching, because once disaster funding and management become tools of political control, the people will lose faith and Jamaica will pay the price. ODPEM's independence must be protected, not absorbed. All right, family, let's talk about it. Do you think putting ODPEM under the Prime Minister's office makes sense? Or is this just another power grab? Leave your comments below, share this video to spread awareness, and make sure you subscribe for more hard-hitting commentary. I'm Michy Dex, keeping the pressure on because accountability never takes a vacation. Reference: The Jamaica Gleaner. A slippery slope. ODPEM reassigned to Office of the Prime Minister. October 2nd, 2022.